Feed the Mass is excited to announce our summer program for 2023. This summer, we are continuing our mission to provide holistic education for middle schoolers and high schoolers in our community. Our summer program is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. starting June 21st and goes through August 4th. Classes include urban agriculture, cooking and nutrition, wellness, and we provide education and support throughout the summer. We know how valuable it is to have safe space for children, and we do our best to ensure every student is seen, heard, and secure in our community. If you want to sign your students, go to feedthemass.org/summer today. Spots are limited, and they fill up quickly. Have a great day, and see you this summer.